The new year might mean new babies for people in your life. Figuring out what to get them can be tricky, but here are a few gifts they are sure to appreciate. A baby is so cuddly right after a bath. Business Insider suggests this hooded baby towel by Parachute. Priced at only $29, it is a gift your friends are sure to like. A practical gift would be diapers. Business Insider also suggests a big box of diapers sent to your friends by Amazon. Perfect if you are wanting to ship something from out of town. Books are always welcome, but this one cannot be destroyed by drool. The Today Show recommends these indestructible books, which can be ordered on Amazon as well. A meal service could also be a welcome gift. It will save the new parents a trip to the store. Even better, maybe just send them dinner from their favorite restaurant. If you have ever had a baby, you know that the thing they like the most about a toy is the silky tag. So Fatherly suggests a Taggies toy. It lets kids enjoy lots of tags. Any of these are gifts the parents are sure to appreciate, as well as the baby.